guys, for my steak pad. Titignan natin yung drawing natin. Per part 2 yung colors ko. Bibilangin natin. Gawin natin dito Ito. May mga lagayan ng mga kotse. Tapos bahay, may heart. Tapos, huwag mo po siminto muna ito. May mga tao. Ayan, beach. Ito. Monster. Tapos naano siya. Tapos ito din. Okay. Nagagalit siya. Ganyan lang yan. Tapos mga stickers. Chinek ko kasi may bumili. So part 2, papakita ko sa iyo kung baga binigay yung mga laruan. Tapos ito, rainbow first, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black. Now, second, orange, red, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black. Third, yellow, red, don't remind this. Red, orange, red, green, blue, purple, brown, black. Tapos, this, banana, apple, carrot, and heart. Mga prutas. Apple, strawberry, banana, avocado, peach, mango, grape, violet grapes, blue grapes, blueberry. Pen, pad. Drawing ni Tete. Tapos, mix color, red plus yellow, orange, like orange. Orange plus yellow, dark orange. Red plus green, brown. Black plus, what's this? Blue, I don't know. Red plus blue, purple, and this. Wait. Mall shop, main painting,